Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to draw a picture using 5 stacks and addition, or doubles, or a multiplication table to multiply with 3 and 6. Let's read the problem for our beginning of our paper.
Sabrina is making triangles with toothpicks. She uses 3 toothpicks for each triangle. She makes 4 triangles. How many toothpicks does Sabrina use?
Why does Sabrina use 3 toothpicks for a triangle? Why does she use 3 toothpicks to make a triangle? Jacob? So, how many sides make a triangle? 3. Okay, triangles have 3 sides. That's why she's using 3 toothpicks. Triangles have 3 sides. Okay, now we're going to draw a picture to help us figure out this problem. So it says complete the 4 triangles. So we know that we are going to have 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. Now complete these other ones, please. So the directions say, so complete the other triangles. That. Now, they say you can skip count by the number of sides. So how many sides does this first triangle have, guys?
3.
3. And then skip count, you have 3 more. That would make how many?
6.
And then how many more? 3 more would be how many?
9.
And then 3 more would be how many?
12.
So how many triangles are there in all?
4.
No, listen to my question. How many triangles are there in all?
4.
4 triangles. And how many toothpicks are there in each triangle? 3. There are 3 toothpicks in each triangle. 3 toothpicks to make each triangle. Right? 3 toothpicks to make each triangle?
Yes.
Okay. So how many toothpicks in all? Since we have 4 triangles and there is 3 toothpicks. No, I didn't mean to write 4. It's kind of like groups here now, boys and girls. So there are 4 triangles, and you have 3 toothpicks for each triangle. That means how many toothpicks in all would we have, guys?
12.
12. So 4 triangles have how many toothpicks?
12.
So Sabrina needs how many toothpicks, or uses how many toothpicks?
12.
Hey. So, one way of finding or multiplying by 3 is by skip counting. That's what they just did. 3, 6, 9, 12. They skip counted by 3s. Okay? Now, try this. Find the number of toothpicks needed for 6 triangles. So now we're going to draw 6 triangles, right? Draw a picture to help us. So down here, they already drew 1 for us. How many toothpicks would that be? 3. Now let's draw another one. This is 2 triangles. How many toothpicks is that now?
6.
Okay. Draw another triangle. How many toothpicks is that now?
9.
Okay, we're supposed to draw 6, right? So draw 3 more triangles. Now we know that 4 triangles is how many?
12.
12. Okay, now we have 2 more triangles than that. So how many more toothpicks is another triangle after 12? 15. And then how many more triangles is it after that?
18.
Okay. So, how did you find, okay, well, first, how many toothpicks would we need to make 6 triangles? How many toothpicks would we need to make 6 triangles, everybody?
18.
18 what? Okay, 18 toothpicks. But how did we find the answer? What do we do? Allie?
We counted by 3 6 times.
Okay, we counted by 3 6 times. We skip counted by 3 6 times, right?
Yes.
We skip counted by 3 6 times. We skip counted by 3 6 times. Okay, the next page. Another way to do multiplication with 6 and 3 is by using 5 stacks, okay? Doing 5 instead. Well, we wouldn't multiply by 3 with 5. We can multiply with 5 instead when we're trying to find 6, okay? So we're going to say just because using craft sticks to make 6 octagons. Octagons have how many sides, guys? 8. Octagons have 8 sides. How many sticks would she need to make 6 octagons? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply a factor by 6 and multiply the factor by 5 and then add the factors. Okay, so 6 times 7. If we wanted to do 6 times 7, that seems really hard, right? That's having to skip count 6 by 6 7 times. It's a lot of counting, right? A lot of skipping. So instead of doing 6 times 7, do 5 times 7. Okay? That's what they're saying to do. Instead of doing 6 times 7, do 5 times 7. Okay? What's 5 times 7? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5 times 7 is 35, right? Okay, now, all you have to do is, we need to get to 6, and we only multiplied by 5, right? We just said how easy 5s were, and we said 7 times 5 is 35, right? But we didn't, but we're really wanting to do 6. So what you have to do is just add 6 more to 35. What's 35 plus 6?
41.
41. 41?
42.
Oh, I'm sorry. We are supposed to add by 7, not 6. I said to add 1 more for 6. You're adding 7 to 35. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
7 to 35, which is what?
43.
No.
42.
42. Okay, we're going to try it again because I feel like I confused you on that one, and I'm sorry. That's my fault. Okay, so let's do 6 times 6. Okay, 6 times 6, everyone. 6 times 6. Now, to make it easier, Instead of doing 6 times 6, do 5 times 6, okay? Okay, what they're basically doing is to make 5, or to make 6, you can do 5 plus 1, right? 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, so you multiply 6 times 5 first, and then you'll multiply 6 times 1, and you'll add the answers. So 6 times 5 is what?
30.
30. Now, 6 times 1 is what?
6.
6. So you do 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6 equals what?
36.
Okay. So 5 times 6 plus 6 equals 36. Write that down. Okay, we're doing another one. Okay, so we're going to do 6 times 8. Now, 6 times 8 might be too hard, so let's split 6 into 5 plus 1. Okay? Now you're going to multiply 8 times 5. What is 8 times 5, guys?
40.
Everybody? 40. Now, what's 8 times 1? Because these two are going to make it 6, okay? What's 8 times 1, everyone?
8.
So what's 40 plus 8?
48.
48. So 5 times 8 plus another 8 equals
48.
48. Now let's do 9. And I want you to tell me how to do it this time. Instead of doing 9 times 6, what am I going to do instead?
8.
No. 5
5
times 9. Or 9 times 5. I mixed them up. Sorry, here, let me not mix them up like that. Okay. So, we're going to do 6 times 9. And instead of doing 6 times 9, we're going to do what?
5 times
5 times 9. What is 5 times 9, everybody? If 8 times 5 was
45.
Yes, so then this one would have to be 45. Now, what do I do next? I have to go, I actually wanted to be doing 6 times 9.
1 times 9.
Yes, you have to do 1 times 9, so that it would equal the 6th part. What's 1 times 9, everyone?
9.
Okay, so what's 45 plus 9? So 5 and 9 is what?
14.
14. Sorry, yes, 14. 14. And then 4 plus 1 is?
5.
Okay, so 6 times 9 equals?
54.
54. So 6 times 9 is instead 5 times 9 plus another 9, and that equaled?
54.
Okay. So, Jessica, going back to our problem though, she was doing 6 octagons. So that means 6 eighths, which 6 times 8 was what did we say?
48.
48. Okay. Now, another way to do this is by using doubles. Okay. When at least one factor is an even number, you can use doubles. So first multiply with half of an even number. So 6 times 8, instead of doing 6 times 8, which we just did, and we did with 5 and 1, right? But what they're saying that you could do, instead of doing 6 times 8 with 5 and 1, you could split apart the 6 and do 3 plus 3. So then you could do 3 times 8, and then 3 times 8 again, and add those together. Okay? What's 3 times 8, guys? 3 eighths. What's 2 eighths?
16.
So 8 more would be 24. So it would be 24 and 24, and 24 plus 24 equals?
48.
Okay. So what they did is they split the 6 apart into